guys, welcome back to my channel. I just finished filming this makeup look step by step. If you want to know more about it and how to achieve it, then just keep on watching. I hope you guys like it and enjoy it. Please like and subscribe if you haven't yet. So let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Follow me on my social media. As you can see, I already did my eyebrows. The only thing I'll be adding is gonna be the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in color light medium. Starting off with the eyeshadows, we're gonna start with the Morphe palette, 35M palette, and the shade we're gonna start with is gonna be Play It Cool. And here we are starting to blend with the single shadow of ColourPop called Don't Leave Me. And here I am starting to use a light pink eyeshadow. The palette that I'm using does not have a name due to that I am cheap and that I cannot afford a good high brand eyeshadow. So go ahead and get you a light pink eyeshadow and blend that shit out, girl. Oh, grrr. To add more like a dramatic eye, we're gonna start adding black like so. Just go ahead and grab a black shadow. The one I'm using is from the Morphe palette, the 35M black shadow. To cut the crease, go ahead and use your favorite concealer. The one I'm using is still the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in colors light medium. The color I'm going to be using for the top of my eyelid is going to be the single shadow from ColourPop called Ladybug. Now we're starting off with the Maybelline Eye Studio Gel Liner in the color Black is Black. Now for the bottom, the colors that we're going to be using is just going to be the pink and the black. For the setting powder I'm going to be using is going to be the Airspun setting powder in translucent extra coverage. And to add some color to my face, I am using the LA Girl Pro Face pressed powder in the color Cocoa. ahead and start using your favorite setting spray. All I'm using is the Smashbox Photo Finish Prime Water. That's my setting spray. The highlighter I'm using is from Milani. It's called Day Glow in 02. And for my lips, I use the lip liner from Wet n Wild called Chestnut. And this will be the final look, you guys. I hope you like it. And if you did, please leave me a thumbs up. Go ahead and like and subscribe and share if you did. And thank you for watching.